Jai Hind friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel. You know very well that ITR season has been started. Income tax department has taken too much time this time. So in this video, we are going to file ITR 1 live practically step by step. If you are having any salary or pension income, if you are having one house property income, or you want to take home loan advantage of interest paid, or you are having any income from other sources like FD interest, saving interest, and starting from this year up to 1,25,000 long-term capital gain earned from shares or mutual fund can be shown in ITR 1. I want to advise that you must confirm any transaction showing in your AIS, TIS or Form 26AS, because if the data showing in that, if you have not shown in ITR 1, then your ITR may get defective. So without getting any further delay, let's jump into the income tax portal and we are going to file ITR 1 live practically step by step. If you have any doubt, query, question, feel free to comment in the comment box. We will be happy to reply it. If you want to take any professional services from us, you can call, message or WhatsApp in the given number. So we are going to filing ITR 1 live practically step by step. So friends, we are going to file ITR 1 practically live step by step. For that, what you have to do, you need to come on your laptop, your computer, or you can use your mobile and in any browser type incometax.gov.in. This is the official website of Income Tax Department. If you are already registered, then you have to click on the login button. If you are coming first time on this portal, then you might be register yourself. How to register yourself? We have already uploaded a video. You can check that video as well. Now we have click on the login button. Now it will ask your user ID. User ID will be your PAN number, or you can use as Aadhaar as well. So after putting your PAN number, you need to click on the continue button. Now you have to confirm this message by clicking on this checkbox. Now you need to input your password. If you forget your password, if you did not remember your password, then you can click on the forget password and you can create a new password. Now after putting your password, you need to click on the continue button. Then your income tax portal will be login and your portal will be look like this. Before filing ITR, you need to do two things. First, you need to check AIS and TIS, on which any transactions you did through your PAN card will be shown here. Now click on the AIS, click on the proceed. It will take you to a separate website. Now click on the AIS. Here, after clicking AIS, you need to select financial year and your financial year will be 24-25. Click on the TIS button. Now any transactions which you have done through your PAN card like interest, saving account, interest, FD, share market, crypto, mutual fund, dividend, any transactions, and as per your transactions, you need to select your ITR form, ITR 1, 2, 3, 4. And ITR 5, 6, 7 usually not applicable to individual. So in this video, we are going to file ITR 1 if you are having any salary income, pension income, one rental income, or income from other source like any part-time income. Second thing you need to do, you need to again come on income tax portal, click on e-file, then income tax return, then view form 26AS. You have to click on it, then click on the confirm button. It will take you another website. Click on I agree, then proceed, then click view tax credit form 26AS. Here you have to select assessment year 25-26, then view as HTML. Click on view download button. In form 26AS, you will be able to see detail of tax deducted at source. If you are getting any on record income, suppose here is a bank name and you are getting FD income. So FD interest income, they have given this much interest and they have deducted this much amount of TDS. If you have given form 15G or 15H, that means your income will be shown here and you need to show this income as well in your ITR, but TDS deducted will be 0. So make sure any transaction showing in AIS, TIS and 26AS need to confirm, need to verify in your income tax return. Now click on the assessment year 25-26. Method is online recommended. Then click on the continue button. If you have tried to file ITR earlier, then your draft will be showing here. You can start resume filing or you can start fresh filing from here. So you can file your ITR from beginning. Then click on the start a new filing. If fourth character of your PAN card is P, then you can select individual. Then click on continue. ITR form, we are going to file ITR 1 proceed with ITR 1. It is showing a message that your new tax regime is default tax regime. If you want to take any deduction and exemption, then you have to go old tax regime. Click on the let's get started. Now it will ask you reason for ITR filing. You know very well, if your income is more than 3 lakh, which is basic exemption limit, then you have to select this one. If you have done these transactions, then click on the respective. If you don't know what to select, then don't worry, need not to worry, just click on the others, then your ITR will get processed normally. So we are clicking on other, click on the continue button. It is showing many transactions from your AIS, TIS and 26AS. We have pre-filled it automatically. You can check it, you can verify it, or you can edit it. Click on the OK button. Now we have to simply fill 3 or 4 steps. Personal information, most of the detail you have to just confirm. The main part, gross total income, then your deduction. If you are filing new tax regime, then there will be no deduction available. Tax paid, TDS, TCS will come here automatically. Verify your tax liability. So first of all, we need to click on personal information. Here your profile, your name, address will be shown here. Now it's asking for nature of employment. That's mean if you are getting any salary or pension income, then you have to select the nature of your employer, that who is giving you the salary, who is giving you the salary. Your employer is a central government, state government, whatever you are. If you are a pensioner, suppose if you are not getting any salary or pension, then what you need to do, you need to select on not applicable. If you are getting private salary, then you can select on others. For example, we are getting private salary, then we are getting, click on the others. If you select not applicable, then it will show a message, the salary is not applicable. Now you cannot edit and cannot input the salary detail. So we are here selecting the others. Now if you are filing your ITR before 15th of September, it's before due date 139.1. If you want to take 7 lakh rupees tax free benefit, then you need to click on this no. Here it is showing new tax regime. If you have deductions and exemptions, then you need to click yes, then it will take you to the old tax regime. Now in bank account detail, all the bank accounts you need to mention here, and one of the bank account need to select nominate for refund. If you are having any TDS refund, any other bank account need to add here by selecting add another. Now click on the confirm button. You can see your personal information tab has been confirmed. Now what you need to do, our main part of video, gross total income. So we need to click on the gross total income. Now we need to select salary income. If you are getting salary or pension income, then only you need to click on this edit button. Otherwise you can proceed further from your part-time income. Now click on the edit button. Suppose if you are getting your form 16, then you can very well find form 17.1, 17.2, 17.3. And in our case, suppose we are getting 20,000 per month salary income in a private employer. So we are getting 2,40,000 salary, no more any allowances. So here in new tax regime, you will get 75,000 rupees standard deduction irrespective of the amount of salary income. Then your taxable income will be 1,65,000. Now click on the save button. The next income we need to input here, income from other source. If you are income from house property, if you are getting any rental income from one shop or one house, if you have more than one shop or house, then you cannot file ITR 1. In our example, suppose we are getting rental income of a house, click on the edit button. If you are living in this house self-occupiedly, you are living yourself, then click self-occupied. Otherwise, click on the let out property. We have input 1 lakh rupee rental income. So after 1 lakh rupees, 30% standard deduction it is deducting, and 70,000 rupees is your income from house property. Click on the save button. So income from salary we have inputted, input from house property we have input. If you are taking any income or interest on home loan or let out property up to the rental income, you can take here in new tax regime. And the last and not the least, income from other source. Suppose if you are getting any other part-time income, here you cannot able to see, you are not able to see interest from saving bank account, and here you are getting 1557. So what we need to do, 1557 interest from saving bank account, we need to mention it in income from other source. Click on the add another. Nature of income you need to select here from income from saving bank account, and here we are getting 1557. Then click on the save button. So we have saved income from saving interest. Now one more thing, income from deposit. Here what you are able to see, 50,157 interest from deposit, but in AIS the amount is slightly higher. See, we are getting interest 356,039. So we need to mention, we need to edit this amount in our income tax return, 356,039. So click on this, click on the edit button. Now here we can mention it, 356,039. Click on the save button. Now salary done, house property done, other source done. If you are having any reportable transactions just for exempt income for reporting purpose, suppose PPF interest or any income which is not chargeable to tax, you can input here long term capital gain up to 1,25,000. You can mention here which is income not chargeable to tax from share or mutual fund. Now click on the confirm button. Now click on the total deduction. No deduction need to input here because you are going in new tax regime. Taxes paid here, your TDS deducted on salary income will come here. Your TDS deducted other than salary come here. Other than form 16C, your TDS will come here. If TCS has been collected on any vehicle purchase or any other thing will be shown here. You have paid any advance tax or self-assessment tax will be shown here. Now we don't have any salary TDS and we have TDS from FD interest. So here you will be able to see the total amount of the TDS deducted by the employer. Suppose 18799. This is the TDS amount we are getting here, and we need to confirm it from form 26AS. You can check here, if you total 574 and 18255, the total of both will come 18799. If you're getting other than salary TDS, then need to do one thing, click on this checkbox, click on the edit button, and you need to select the year of deduction 2425 and click on the save button, and you need to do the same thing on the other TDS entry as well, 2425. Click on the save button. Now all the TDS, TCS, advanced tax, self-assessment tax will show on here. Now what we have to do, you can show any other income as well. Up to 7 lakh rupees you need not to pay any tax, and all the TDS deducted you will get refund in your bank account. Click on the confirm button, verify your tax liability. You know very well, up to 7 lakh rupees there is no tax, but after 3 lakh rupees tax calculation will be there. After 3 lakh to 5,93,000 tax calculation will be 14,685. But 87 Excel is saying if your income is up to 7 lakh, so you need not to pay tax up to rupees 20,000. So all the income is getting exempted through 87A. Now our final tax calculation will be the 000. Now we have to click on this confirm button. Now we have to click on the proceed to verification. Again check all the detail, and here is a good news, you are eligible for a refund of rupees this much. In your case it's depend upon case to case. Confirm all the details and preview and submit return. Now click on this checkbox, and the place in which you are sitting and filing this ITR, input the place, proceed to validation. Validation is successful. If there will be any error, then you need to click on that error. It will take you to do that error and you can rectify it. Now click on the preview button. You can check it, download it, print it, all the data you have mentioned, and come in the top in the down of this sheet. After coming here, you need to click on the proceed to validation. If there will be any error, it will be shown here. Proceed to verification. Now click on e-verify now. Click on the continue button. Click on OTP on Aadhaar. Click on the continue. I agree. Generate Aadhaar OTP. Now a 6-digit OTP will be come to your registered mobile number on Aadhaar. You need to input that number here. Then you need to click on the validate button. After that, it will ask you to submit that return. So you have to click on the submit return. Then you need to click on the proceed button. Then congratulations दोस्तों, your ITR has been filed successfully. A confirmation will come on mobile and email ID, and you can download the acknowledgement from here. Friend, if you want any professional help from us for your ITR filing, you can feel free to call us, WhatsApp us, or message us. Please share this video to all the people who want to file ITR 1 using English language. If you find this video very helpful or useful, please give a thumbs up. Please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe us if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.